बच्चे की पढ़ाई सॉर्टेड तो समझो हम सॉर्टेड। और अगर स्ट्रक्चर्ड तरीके से हम अपने किड्स की पढ़ाई का ध्यान रखें तो वी कैन इन्वॉल्व हस्बैंड्स आल्सो इन दिस एक्टिविटी, thus creating a perfect blend and balance in our lives. That is why I am here for your friend, guide, philosopher Garima Jolly on my channel Perfect Blends of Life by Garima Jolly. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and the bell icon. Let's quickly move on to the 8 good habits which can be converted into the study tasks. We all get PPTs, syllabus, resources, worksheets, everything. But personal touch की बात ही और है. It is very important that we encourage our kids that they get in touch with the teachers, maybe after the class, on any other forum, during some activity or via email. But kids should know which are the areas that they should focus on, probably their shortcomings or the syllabus points which the teacher needs them to reinforce on. As a teacher, I can vouch on all the teachers are more than willing to help. If you try an extra mile, they will definitely make sure that they can help you in their best ways. This is a very healthy communication. We should definitely encourage our kids to do so. We all spend so much time on digital platform. Let's use this time constructively. YouTube should not only be used for movies, song, reviews of new stuff, gaming, etc. YouTube can be used for finding study material which give in-depth knowledge with examples, with videos. There are online courses on throwaway prizes. Why not start it now? Point to be noted, this is very essential. We must create an environment for study. हम टीवी देख रहे हैं और बच्चे से एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि वो पढ़ता रहे, ज़्यादा दिन नहीं चलेगा ऐसे. Creating environment means appropriate lighting, proper seating with a desk, keeping them hydrated, less noisy surroundings, and ensuring that they get peace of mind. All these things play a very important role in their study. At the same time, we have to be an important part of their studies and their curriculum. करत करत अभ्यास के जड़मती होत सुजान, शायद बच्चों ने आजकल सुना नहीं होगा, but will explain in English. The kids who have mastered the habit of making notes surely have the mantra to success. Making notes, revising them, and ensuring they are made in a very interactive form, such as making flashcards, highlighting them, making in points. All these together help you take a step ahead in your studies. Doing both of these are essential for your success. Studying on your own will help you understand your strengths, make you ready for the exams, better knowledge of a particular content. On the other hand, when you study with your friends, it gives you an insight of your weaknesses. And if the topic is practiced seriously with the friends, you surely have lots of room for improvement and making yourself well structured. Planning a weekly schedule for kids is very important. This way they while off less time. Screen time is always not harmful. It has inherent advantages also. You can use certain apps to plan for them. I have been using this Canva app which is very user friendly. We parents can plan for the kids, and once the task given to the kid is completed, he puts a tick and the results come to us. It is so amazing, and this brings so much inner peace that the work is being done. Who says you have to continuously study for 5 hours? Take a water break after every half an hour. Stretch your arms, your legs. Walk a little after every 1 hour or 2 hours. Don't forget to socialize. Talk if somebody is around. Don't lose yourself. Get some fresh air and sun. Always stay replenished. As a teacher, I will always recommend don't stress. If you enjoy this journey, it will become smoother and easier. 7 to 8 hours of sleep is very essential. That means you have to give up on your parties. You will have your own time soon. Good food is brain food. Taking healthy carbs, taking fiber, nutrients, vegetables, everything full of vitamins makes you feel good. Portion size of the food should be kept in mind to avoid feeling uneasy when you study. Also, reduce the intake of junk food to feel sleepy the minute you start studying. You will say, who has time for it? But a little walk in fresh air or probably going for cycling will help you get oxygen for the brain. Study is the most important thing you can do to get recognition in the outer world the minute you step out. And you all are capable of succeeding. So, study hard, stay focused, and enjoy what you do. Do write to me what ideas you follow to stay focused, study more. If you like any of my ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon. You can also visit my page by the name of Perfect Blends of Life by Garima Jolly and my Instagram handle as well. Garima Jolly signing off. Goodbye.